How's it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from not having any SOPs at all in your business to having a fully populated company brain inside of Notion with all your SOPs organized by department that you can use in order to delegate to your team or automate with AI. So what is an SOP? An SOP is a standard operating procedure, which is a set of instructions in order to perform a specific task in the business. And these SOPs is what you give to your team in order for someone else to do the work for you. And these SOPs you can turn into Claude skills so that Claude can automate the work if it is well enough defined, if the process is out of your head, if someone else can use the SOP, then Claude can use it as well. So the first step is to get the business out of your head, and then automating the business becomes a whole lot easier. And the reason SOPs are now more important than ever is because you need to give them to AI if you want to automate your business, which every single business owner wants to do right now because of the leverage that it gives you. And if the SOPs are currently stuck in your head, then you can't delegate it to anyone and it's invisible to AI. So the first step is extracting the SOPs out of your head and organizing them in one place so that you can then give it to Claude and automate the business. So the first step is systems and then automation, because you can't automate what you can't see or processes that you have not defined yet. And the reason I'm saying that systems comes before automation is because AI doesn't fix or improve your business, it amplifies it. Whatever AI has access to, it will speed up. So the state of your business before AI is more important than the AI that you're going to put onto your business, because if you don't have anything organized, nothing is defined, and everything is in your head, then the overwhelm that you're currently feeling is just going to increase. But if you have systems, if everything is defined, and if you have something that you can give to AI and to your team in order to run the business, then speeding it up will actually buy back more time because it will increase the leverage that you already have as a byproduct of having systems. So how do you actually get the SOPs out of your head? There are 3 ways, which I'm going to show you in this video. The first one is connecting all of the tools that you're using as context for Claude. So you connect it through the MCP connections, and then you ask Claude to create SOPs based on all the context that it has access to. The second one is doing an AI interview. So you go for a walk and then you just ask Claude to ask you questions so that you can get everything out of your head. And then based on the answers, it can create SOPs. And then the third one is just when you actually do a task, you record yourself doing the task in a video, as well as narrating what you're doing and explaining your thought process. And then you give that to Claude so that it can turn that into SOPs. And then I'm also going to show you how we organize all of these SOPs in Notion through a company brain, because this is our source of truth. And this is what we use in order to delegate to our team or to give to Claude in order to automate the work. So the step-by-step process is extracting the SOPs out of your head with Claude, then organizing it in your Notion company brain, and then automating the work with AI. And if you want help doing this, if you want access to the systems, the automations, and the support that you need in order to systemize and automate your business with Notion and Claude, then just join Systemizers through the first link in the description below. The first method is connecting all of the tools you use to Claude and then extracting the SOPs. So just click on the plus, go to connectors, and then click on manage connectors, and then you can click on browse connectors in the top right, and then just search for the tools you're using, sign in and connect it with Claude. I already made a full video showing you how to connect Notion with Claude through the MCP and also what the MCP is. So make sure to watch that video. I will leave it in the description below. But you just want to go ahead and connect all of the tools with Claude. And the ones that I would recommend is obviously Notion, because Claude needs to have that as context, but also have a place to send the SOPs to. But then the tools that I would recommend is Gmail, because there's going to be a lot of context in your emails, your Google Calendar, as well as your AI note taker. So I'm using Circleback, but if you're using Gemini Notes, then you would want to connect Google Drive as well. Or if you use another note taker, then just connect that. And if you're using Whisperflow for dictation, then you can connect Whisperflow to Claude as well, which is going to have a lot more context. I have like 650,000 words in Whisperflow. And this is also pretty cool because it can analyze your tone of voice, because this is how you actually speak. So just connect everything that can possibly have context about your business. If you're using Slack, then connect Slack as well, and then just connect all of this with Claude, and then you can move on to step 2. So the second step is just telling Claude to extract the SOPs and just populate them inside of Notion, and then you can obviously go through it and delete the ones that's not relevant, or just go back to Claude and tell it which ones it needs to change. So let me go ahead and give Claude this prompt. Yo Claude, what I want you to do is use all of the tools that you have access to for context about my business, and I want you to extract as much SOPs as possible when it comes to my specific business, the tasks that me and my team do on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. I want you to extract them and turn them into SOPs in the Notion company brain, and then also add in the correct properties, link it with the correct company roles, departments, everything that is in the Notion database. And I want you to just follow the database template and then just fill out the SOP in as much detail as possible based on my specific business and the context that you have about me and my team. And before I send this off, I'm just adding in the database link. So just making sure that it's outputting it in the right database. And then I'm also using Opus 5 on extra effort because I want this to be a good output. So I'm using the best AI model available because I'm going to be using this into the future. So the better the SOPs are, the more easier it is going to be to automate it. So that's why I'm using the best model and would recommend you to do the same. And once you have all of that, just press enter and then let Claude do its thing. All right, so Claude finished. And as you can see, we got all of these SOPs inside Notion in our company brain with all of the properties and information filled in. So it's linked to a department, it's linked to a person. So if I go to the business OS and I click on a person, it will show all of the SOPs that is linked to this person on the team. And then if I go into the department dashboards, then we will see all of the SOPs that is linked to the department. And we can click and open any of these SOPs, and it is going to show the purpose, when to use it, the tools that's needed, the process, and also the common mistakes of these SOPs. Now, obviously, it is not going to be 100% perfect. You do have to go through it, review it, process it, and if there is any errors, then obviously you can just go back and forth with Claude, but this should give you a good starting point in order to build out the SOPs for your business. And if you're curious about this business OS that I'm using inside of Notion, I will leave the walkthrough of this business OS in the description below. Now, the second method of extracting SOPs from your head is by getting Claude to do an AI interview where it asks you a bunch of questions until it has full context about your business, and then it can turn that into SOPs. And for this, I would recommend you to voice and talk the answers instead of typing it. So you can use a dictation tool like Whisperflow or just Claude's native dictation in order to answer the questions, because that will give Claude more context and more nuance, and you're able to get through everything a lot faster. I would also recommend you to just go on a walk and do this, because this might take like 30 minutes to an hour. So if you're just sitting at your desk, might as well go for a walk somewhere nice in order to do this, and it is well worth the time because you just have to do it once, and then Claude will turn that into SOPs, but it can also turn it into documents for your company brain. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go through the whole process right now. You get the idea. Just tell Claude what I told you, and it should understand the assignment. I'm going to move on to method 3, which is recording your screen and explaining out loud your thought process and what you're doing so that you can give that to Claude. And what I would recommend you to use is either Loom or Supercut. So you essentially just record your screen, and then this will upload it to the web, to the cloud, where you can already copy the transcript and then paste the transcript into Claude. Or if you're using something like OBS to record the video, which is what I'm using for YouTube, then you just record the video and then you take that file, give it to Claude Code, and then Claude Code can transcribe it, or you can find the transcription tool online and then just have the video transcribed, and then again you copy the transcript and then give that to Claude, and then just tell Claude to turn it into an SOP and to add it in your company brain. And to show an example, here we have an SOP for hiring a video editor on Upwork, and I've created a Loom video which is about 18 minutes long, and then this transcript I fed to AI, which then created the SOP. And now me and my team can use this SOP if we ever want to hire a video editor on Upwork. Obviously, this is not something that AI is going to do for you. So in this case, it is definitely useful to have a video, especially if it is for a team member. having a video is much better than just text and you explaining everything out loud, but still you want to transcribe it, turn it into an SOP. Even if you're not going to automate the SOP, even if it's just for a team, if you're delegating it, you still want to record the video, transcribe it, and then make sure you have that SOP organized in your company brain. That is pretty much how you extract the SOPs from your head with Claude and organize everything inside of Notion in the company brain. Now the next step is automating all of it, which if you want help with, if you want help systemizing and automating your business with Notion and Claude and get access to this business OS, then just click the first link in the description below or click the video that's on the screen now to watch the full walkthrough of this business OS dashboard. I'll see you there.